In today's video, I'll show you how to create YouTube voiceovers using ElevenLabs, so you can turn any script into a clean, natural-sounding narration for your videos. If you're new to voiceovers, don't worry. The process is simple, and once you understand the basics, you can create professional audio in just a few minutes. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll convert your written script into spoken audio. Next, prepare your YouTube script. Try to write in a conversational tone, as if you're talking directly to your viewers. This helps the voiceover sound more natural and engaging. Once your script is ready, choose a voice from the available library. Pick a voice that matches your video style, whether it's energetic, calm, or informative. Now paste your script into the editor. It's a good idea to break your text into short paragraphs so the AI can deliver smoother pacing and better clarity. Before generating the audio, quickly review your script for spelling and punctuation. These small details can significantly improve how the final voiceover sounds. Click Generate and wait a moment while ElevenLabs converts your text into speech. After it's ready, listen to the voiceover carefully. If something feels off, you can adjust the text, change the voice, or tweak the formatting and generate it again. Once you're satisfied with the result, download the audio file and import it into your video editing software to sync it with your visuals. With a little practice, you can easily create high-quality voiceovers that make your YouTube videos more engaging and professional. And that's how you create YouTube voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.